Anyways, live pregnancy test. So we're gonna do the Clear Blue Advanced Digital Pregnancy Test with week estimators. There's 2. I haven't yet missed my period. I'm like 3 days out. So, or 4, one of them. So we shall see what these are saying. I'll be back. Okay guys, so it's going.
You just set it down.
Set what down, the camera?
No.
Oh, it's down. I'm so nervous. Like, I know what the sticks are showing, but for something to be digital, it's like...
Well, you believe digital is
how
more
it's
advanced?
Like no, it's not more advanced, but to see it.
You're gonna get a smiley face, or you get a...
No, it's just gonna say pregnant on there. For like 1 minute out already.
How long does it take? How long does it take?
5 minutes? Is it 5? Did you read the thing? The read thing? How long is it?
Doesn't say on there.
Don't look.
I have to read the pamphlet. I don't feel like reading it. By the time I figure it out, it's gonna pop up. Either you are or you're not.
It's reading. My heart is pounding.
Yeah, 65% of it, the results is 4 days.
Feel my chest. It's like pounding.
1 day is like 98%. The closer you get to your the day is better because your hormone levels. Oh, you gotta wait like 5 minutes?
It's 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. It's passed already.
Why is your heart pounding?
I don't know, because it's gonna read. It's gonna say something. Pregnant or not pregnant. But it's just the way. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh.
What does it say? 1, 2?
1 to 2 weeks. Oh my gosh!
That's cool.
Oh my gosh!
Mommy?
Yes, honey.
Hi, babe. Hi, babe, Mommy.
Later. As you guys can see,
Please.
it is positive.
Please, Mommy.
Yes.
Please.
There you go.
Mommy.